I was in urgent care the other day as a patient, and a lady walked in, professional lady, very articulate. And it was interesting because she's telling the front desk, "Oh, I hurt my back, but I'm going to my chiropractor tomorrow. I don't want him to just crack it. Can you guys see what's going on?" So I sat next to her. I'm a patient there. She's a patient, but I said, "By the way, nice to meet you. I'm sorry that you're in pain. I'm actually a chiropractor. There are chiropractors out there that are not just going to crack you. They are going to take time to find, oh, my chiropractor doesn't do any of that. He doesn't do x-rays. Just like people come in, the same people, and they crack them and they in and out." So I understand that being a misconception because even some of the largest franchises are just in and out, crack, crack, crack. It's not an assessment, a treatment plan.